erase, and keep going. This tiny twist is a big win for pencil control and classroom confidence. Flipping a pencil to erase is something we do all the time. This simple action builds control, precision, and true tool fluency. You will need a standard pencil with an eraser and some paper to write on. Optional visual prompts or pencil grips can help at first. Have your child hold a pencil and write something small. Then, without putting the pencil down, rotate it in their hand to use the eraser, all using one hand. Start with thicker pencils or pencil grips for better grip. You can help guide their fingers in a slow rotation motion first. To increase challenge, ask them to flip and erase with their non-dominant hand or do it during a timed writing task. If your child avoids the pencil feel, try soft grips, weighted pencils, or a dry run with markers and a cap. This is one of the most real-life OT skills. Mastering it improves writing flow and independence in the classroom. From flipping utensils to adjusting a toothbrush or pen, this rotation skill is essential for everyday tasks. Flip it, erase it, and move on with ease. This one small action builds strong, capable hands.